I'm just baking some cookies.
Cookies? Yummy!
Yeah, I just can't wait. Can we eat a chocolate?
Yes, of course. Take that.
Oh, the chocolate has been melted.
This is due to the microwave near you. It produces lots of heat.
I just know the same incident happened to the discovery of microwave, but I didn't know the full history.
Don't worry, Santoshni. We will say that. During the World War II, the magneton tube was so important. In 1945, Percy Spencer was working in a radar set. While he was working, he noticed the tickling sensation in his packet and noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket was completely melted. This is due to the heat of microwave emitted by the magnetron tube into the radar set.
The first food prepared in the microwave is popcorn. Is there any funny incident happened to the discovery?
Yes. When he tried to heat the whole egg, it has been exploded. Then after this incident, he attached the door into it.
The first microwave was done by Percy Spencer. The one side of the box is covered with metal box and another side is magneton tube.
Then in October 1945, Percy Spencer filed a patent for method of treating footsteps.
Thank you, Madan Lekha and Nakshatra, for the validating.
Welcome. Thank you.